The CANEST Smart Toilet FC-002SE stands out with its integrated bidet, instant warm water, and self-cleaning nozzles that provide a consistently hygienic and comfortable wash. Its foam shield system creates a cushion of bubbles inside the bowl to reduce splashing, contain odors, and keep the ceramic surface noticeably cleaner between deep scrubs. A pump-assisted flushing design delivers strong waste removal that meets demanding performance standards while still allowing reliable manual-style flushing during power interruptions. The generously widened, ergonomically shaped seat with full area sensing feels stable for larger users, pregnant people, children, and those with limited mobility, while the heated surface and automatic temperature control keep it comfortable through all seasons. Hands-free convenience is excellent thanks to the precise front-facing foot sensor that reliably opens and closes the lid or triggers a flush without awkward leg movements or touching any buttons. Quiet operation, built-in deodorization, and subtle night lighting make this smart toilet especially well-suited for shared homes where late-night use shouldn't disturb others.